I was in law school. I had the opportunity to work for a very large insurance company, and as I was coming upon my time to graduate, I was speaking with some of the mentors that I had developed relationships with. They said, you know what, Heather, you have a heart for the other side, for the injured individuals. We think that that's really best suited for you. I decided to try the other side and I've never looked back. The main purpose of F-157238523 Associates is to provide protection for the most vulnerable members of our society. What makes F-157238523 Associates unique is that our clients are lifelong clients. When individuals are significantly and extremely injured, those injuries don't go away. And so we have to fight by their side, not just for a period of litigation, but we have to commit ourselves to represent them and defend them for the rest of their lives. So when you can see those struggles, it makes it a lot easier to convey them. At F-1572385 Associates, we're focused primarily on maintaining a small firm. We have 4 lawyers. We all try and put our gifts in to maximize the outcome for the client. My lifelong goal is to keep it small and keep it real.
I was in a motor vehicle accident. I was 10 years old. There was an elderly gentleman driving down the road and he struck me. And my head came through his windshield. My skull was crushed. With a head injury, it's basically like you're reprogramming your brain. The physical nature of it is not being able to do things for myself. And so when I started talking to Heather about things, the light kind of clicked on and Heather presented it in a way that was easy to understand. With Heather in her office, I'm secure and I'm confident that I'm being well represented and that she's got my best interest in mind. Like, I actually get to be a person.
My perspective is that I need to help my clients fight every single day to get back to normal as best as possible. I only want clients to have a warrior type spirit.
I received a call that my mother was a passenger in a car accident. I went from being a kid to taking care of my mother because she was diagnosed with a traumatic brain injury. I met Heather through a partner at another firm, and we became good friends through that. Working with someone who's compassionate, who sympathizes, all of these things I seen her do with my mother. She fought my case, she won my case. We became like a family.
I admire people who struggle and persevere so much. I feel for them because they're not given the tools to protect themselves. And so when you have someone who's struggling with something and persevering, and you have the legal tools to help them, I feel like you're almost morally and socially obligated to do that.